Let's learn how to get the Christmas filter on TikTok. Whether it's snowflakes, Santa hats, or sparkling lights, we've got the scoop on how to make your content shine this Christmas. You've probably seen these videos in your TikTok feed or the For You page. They are pretty cool, and you can point your camera at anything and just wait a couple of seconds until this filter transforms your boring videos into magical Christmas videos. You first want to make sure that your TikTok application is updated to the latest version. So go over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and check if the TikTok app is updated. If it is, then simply open it and then tap on the magnifying glass at the top right corner of the screen until the search bar appears. We will type Christmas filter and search for it. You'll get a couple of different effects at the top of your screen, and we will select the effect called Christmas filter. So just tap on the camera icon in order to open the effect in your TikTok camera. You can then tap on the music button at the top of your screen if you want to add a specific Christmas song from the TikTok library. But I don't want to change this song, so I'll just hit the record button and wait for the effect to do its thing. It is going to give us a 3-second countdown, and then it will apply the effect over whatever we have in the frame. It will give it a Christmas vibe. It will add snow, trees, and other things, depending on the frame and the things you are recording. When you're finished with this step, you can share the video with your friends or family members. And that's it. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.